In the middle of an AI gold rush, where startups chase hype and corporations scramble to keep up, one solo builder just bagged a $35,000 deal that's rewriting the rules of the game. And no, it's not a flashy chatbot or some gimmicky AI avatar. This is a quiet revolution happening behind closed doors, and you're about to see how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zero to AI, the channel where we demystify AI, unpack real-world applications, and show you how to turn cutting-edge tech into real opportunities. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because what we're covering today is something every AI enthusiast, developer, and entrepreneur needs to hear. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story about a $35,000 deal that signals a major shift in how businesses, especially law firms, are embracing AI. Not with cloud-based black box models, but with private, bespoke systems that prioritize security, control, and performance. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll realize why this isn't just a passing trend, it's the future. Let's set the stage. Picture this. A solo AI builder closes a $35,000 deal with a mid-sized law firm. What for? Not an app, not a chatbot, but an in-house, fully private AI legal analyst. A system capable of parsing complex legal documents, answering intricate queries, and summarizing contracts, all without ever touching OpenAI, Anthropic, or any third-party cloud services. No exposure to external APIs, no chance of a data leak. Complete control over the firm's sensitive legal data. And here's the most impressive part. The law firm paid up without hesitation. This deal wasn't just about money. It was about trust, about control, about proving that small boutique AI solutions can outperform mass market offerings when it matters most. In a world flooded with AI hype, this deal quietly represents the kind of practical, high-impact AI integration that makes a real difference. So, what's under the hood of this legal AI powerhouse? Let's break it down. At the heart of the system is LLaMA 370B, a high-performance language model, quantized for faster real-time inference. It runs on CoreWeave infrastructure powered by dual A100 GPUs, providing the computational muscle needed to process complex legal text and contracts in seconds. This isn't your average hosted chatbot. It's a finely tuned, transformer-based system, optimized specifically for legal language. Then we've got ChromaDB. This acts as a vector store for document embeddings, allowing the system to perform scalable, rapid searches across thousands of case files, contracts, and legal filings. When a lawyer needs to locate a precedent or clause in a mountain of documents, ChromaDB makes that search instant and effortless. Next up is LLaMA Index, which powers the system's retrieval augmented generation pipeline. This is the component responsible for delivering real-time question answering with precise context retention, a crucial feature in legal research where nuance and accuracy are everything. It enables the system to handle complex legal queries, maintain context, and generate reliable answers on the fly. The automation glue that holds everything together is N8N. It handles workflows like document uploads, Slack notifications, email alerts, and automates all the little operational details that make the system seamless to use. This ensures that everything from receiving a document to triggering a case analysis runs like clockwork without human bottlenecks. The user-facing side is built with Streamlit, providing a clean, intuitive web interface so even non-tech-savvy lawyers can interact with the AI system with ease. No complicated terminal commands, no confusing dashboards. Just a simple, secure platform designed for efficiency. Speaking of security, the system uses JWT authentication and strict IP controls to guarantee that sensitive legal data stays locked down, never leaking to third-party services or external APIs. It's private, powerful, and entirely under the client's control. This isn't just a tech stack, it's a statement, a declaration that AI doesn't have to be cloud-based, black-boxed, or controlled by tech giants. It can be private, purpose-built, and hyper-secure. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't an isolated case. AI is rapidly transforming legal services worldwide. J.P. Morgan Chase's COINA slashed 360,000 hours of contract review work. Deloitte's Kira systems cut analysis time by 80% for a Fortune 500 client. Jones Day halved costs in a $100 million antitrust case by deploying AI-driven document review. Slaughter and May's Luminance. AI reduced M&A due diligence time by 75%. Even consumers are benefiting. Do Not Pay's AI overturned $4 million in fines, though its founder famously caught heat for trying to let it argue in court. These aren't speculative promises about what AI might one day achieve. They're real-world wins. Concrete proof that AI isn't knocking on the legal industry's door anymore. It's already inside, quietly and efficiently rewriting the rulebook. Legal AI spending hit $22 billion in 2024. According to LexisNexis, 55% of UK law firms now use AI for research. McKinsey predicts that 44% of legal tasks, from discovery to compliance to document review, are automatable right now. And yet, here's the paradox. Only 25% of lawyers have received any kind of AI training. While firms are investing heavily in AI, they're often doing so blindly, exposing themselves to mistakes, ethical pitfalls, and security risks. And this is exactly why firms are turning away from generic, off-the-shelf, cloud-based AI and embracing bespoke, in-house systems like the one we're spotlighting today. When sensitive legal data is on the line, control, transparency, and security matter more than flashy features. But let's be clear, this isn't all smooth sailing. AI in law has already shown its darker side. In 2023, a New York lawyer was sanctioned for submitting an AI-generated brief citing fake cases. A California law firm faced a devastating data breach in 2024 after relying on an unsecured cloud-based AI service. And in 2022, an AI risk assessment system misjudged minority defendants' risk scores, igniting a firestorm of controversy about algorithmic bias and trust in justice systems. These aren't hypothetical risks. They're real incidents reminding us that with great power comes great responsibility. If you're building or adopting AI, especially in high-stakes, regulated industries like law, finance, or healthcare, security, ethics, and transparency aren't optional. They're mission-critical. This story isn't just about a $35,000 deal. It represents a broader shift, the democratization of AI innovation. Where once only massive tech firms could afford high-performance AI systems, today individuals and small businesses can architect their own tailored solutions without sacrificing performance or privacy. As Dr. Kai-Fu Lee, former president of Google China and AI thought leader, said, "We're entering an era where AI will no longer be the exclusive domain of tech giants. To thrive, individuals and businesses must prioritize adaptability, lifelong learning, and strategic AI adoption." And that's precisely what we're seeing unfold. This deal, this AI legal system, isn't a one-off. It's a signal that small players are finding new ways to swing big. This is how industries evolve, not through buzzwords or viral announcements, but through quiet, effective, practical applications like this one. So what's the takeaway for us here at Zero to AI? Simple. The future belongs to those who build with purpose, who don't settle for generic solutions, who create AI systems that amplify their mission, protect their data, and empower their teams. This isn't about what AI used to be capable of. It's about what you, yes, you, can build with AI right now. If this story inspired you or gave you ideas for your own AI projects, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment. Let's start a conversation. And if you found value in this deep dive, make sure you're subscribed, because here at Zero to AI, we turn AI hype into real, practical, hands-on knowledge. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, it's not about the AI you use. It's about what you use AI for.